my son. Come, my son, my beloved, rest now, the day is done. The night is deep, the stars arise, so close your soft, dreaming eyes. Sleep early, rise with the morning light. A steady mind, a life made right. Lay down now, you're safe at home. Now listen close, a bedtime story of this new age, its hidden story. A world unseen inside the machine. Sleep, my child, tonight, safe sound in the soft cyber shield. Sleep, my child, tonight, safe sound in the soft
cyber shield.
In a network world of data streams, packets flow like silent dreams. Your device connects through ports unseen to clouds and servers in between. Every click, each file you share, travels pathways everywhere. But not all traffic is safe or clean. Some threats hide where you've not seen. There's malware, malicious code, hidden deep in files you load, often masked as safe or true, waiting for a click from you. A Trojan hides in trusted files, executes code, runs in silence. Ransomware encrypts your drive, locks your data, halts your work. Spyware tracks the things you do,
Steals your private data too.
Rootkits buried deep inside, evading tools that try to find. One weak password, one wrong click, and threats can enter fast and quick. But stay aware, don't be misled. Security lives inside your head. Think before you click, my son. Verify the source of everyone. Your strong passwords never reuse.
Multi-factor authentication protects you.
Enable firewall, guard your gate.
Filter traffic,
Regulate,
keep systems patched, updated, clean.
fix the flaws that threats have seen.
I don't click what I don't know. I'm learning, Dad, from everything you teach me.
Emails marked urgent, don't rush. Phishing preys on fear and trust. Check the URL, read it slow. Only secure app taps you know. Avoid unknown executable files. Scan attachments all the while. Download only trusted code from verified and safe mode sources. Adopt zero trust. Verify all. Question anything unusual.
Backup data stored and strong.
So nothing vital is ever gone. Like locking doors before you sleep.
Your digital access is yours to keep.
Antivirus scans, detects, defends.
Stops known threats
protected through the quiet night. With every step you learn, you grow.
A cyber guardian in control.
Safe in knowledge, calm and wise.
Drift to sleep, close your eyes.
Let's rest now.
Your system secure,
with careful steps.
your future sure.
In every network,
Every stream,
you'll protect your digital dream.